Turmeric rice, so delicious, so fragrant. Hello everyone, how are you today? I would like to share a very delicious dishes. One of Indonesian rice dishes is called turmeric rice. It's famous also with yellow rice. It's very delicious and so savory and fragrant because of the smell of the turmeric. The taste and also you're gonna love it. Okay, don't wanna talk anymore because I would like to show you how to cook it. Let's cooking. The ingredients we need are turmeric, bay leaves, kaffir leaf, lemongrass, rice, and coconut milk. First step, combine coconut milk, turmeric, bay leaves, lemongrass, and salt into a big pot and bring to a boil, stirring occasionally until it boils. And then add rice, stir well, cook until coconut milk absorbs completely, about 20-30 minutes. The liquid should be fully absorbed. Once the liquid has been fully absorbed, keep cooking about 2-3 more minutes and watch out the base of the pan so it's not gonna be burned or something like that. The next step, move the rice to the steamer and don't forget to steam in a steaming that has been heated. The steamer has been heated. And we cook it with a medium to low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes until cook. Don't forget to cover it up. Cover the steamer and then cook about 10 to 15 minutes with low heat or medium heat. The rice already cooked. It's gonna be dry up and become fluffy. See, it's really already cooked. Now it's the time to remove the rice from the heat and fluff with a fork. Serve hot or warm with fried chicken, omelet, beef floss, spicy fried tempeh, spicy fried anchovy, etc. Whatever condiments you prefer to eat with this. And time to enjoy the turmeric rice or yellow rice.